Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever in the world you might be. Again, this is another episode of Dr. Doug helping you with composite repair systems. We're going to be talking more about a underwater epoxy that's quick set, or 106XF. You can use this for repairing shaft journals like you see here. This would be an example of before machining. This would be an example of after machining. The same material is drillable and tappable, can be used on bushings, and also for wallowed out housings. Unlike welding, you don't have to worry about whether it's cast iron, aluminum, bronze, steel, mild steel, or high tensile strength steel, because the same composites work equally well on ferrous as well as non-ferrous alloys, and even PVCs and plastics. This mixture here, you can mix a complete kit, or you can mix just partial kits as long as you're careful to measure 1 part activator with 1 part base. I'm simply going to squeeze a little bit out here. And the nice thing is it has a toothpaste type cap design. So you can actually recap it. You don't have to use the full amount. Then we're going to take our 1 part base and mix out an equal amount. And then recap it. We'll just put a little bit more activator out there to balance it off. Now, again, this will work above ground on dry surfaces, but we're going to demonstrate to you how it will work on wet surfaces as well. Now, at 68 degrees or 70 degrees room temperature, you have roughly 2.5 to 4 minutes. I usually tell people 3 minutes to mix and apply. It's color coded, so you want to keep scraping the end or the bottom of the mixing board to go for one uniform color. Do a Z for Zorro, mix a little bit more. So once you think you got a complete mix, it's always good to mix a little bit more so that you have a very thorough mixture. And you can see this time when scraping, nothing white shows up. So it's looking like we got a very thorough mixture. And as I mentioned, you can actually use it underwater. So we're going to take this plate, dip it underwater, and trowel it underwater. I'm going to take a little bit more. Trowel it in underwater. Now we're taking our 2 pieces of steel and press them together underwater. Within 5 to 15 minutes, we should have a good set. We'll clean up our mess here a little bit. And when all is said and done, we'll have bonded two pieces of steel together like you see here. And if you could do me a favor and grab on one of those pieces, you'll notice they bond very well together. So we could either keep this underwater or take it above. And again, that's going to bond those two pieces of steel together with minimal effort. So again, we appreciate your time. Hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you might be, whether it's in the Great Lakes, Midwest, East Coast, West Coast. Have a great day. C'est la vie, c'est la garde.